everyone, welcome back to today's video. So this video is going to be a beginner friendly makeup. Okay, I'm a beginner, I'm not a makeup artist. We are learning. If you are a beginner, gather here, let's do this together. Okay, yes. So and the fun part of it is that my husband will be doing the voiceover. Yeah. So I hope you will stay tuned and enjoy the video. But before we dive into this video, I just want to use this opportunity to thank each one of you that always coming back to watch my video. And for my new subscribers, those that just joined the family, thank you so much for your massive support. I can't thank you guys enough. You are welcome to the family. Okay, and if today is your first time of coming across this channel, please do well to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. So not wasting your time, let's dive into the video.
Gonna make it till morning.
Welcome everyone to Mercy's channel. Right now my wife is applying a product on her eyebrow before she put eyebrow pencil, which I don't know or understand the work of that product. If you have any idea, leave it in the comment section. You know, my wife has a very natural eyebrow, but you know, women, they always like to have a new look every day. Right now, she will be doing the same thing on the other eyebrow and then brush it through for more smooth look. Now, she has two colors of concealer. The lighter one will be used under the eyebrow, while the darker one will be used above the eyebrow to make it look beautiful. Wow, women are so unique. This is creativity at work. I respect all the women out there. What is she applying again? I think she's putting up another concealer on eyelid before the eyeshadow. Now she will be applying the neutral color eyeshadow. Also, she will be applying brown color eyeshadow. Is she putting another color? Oh, she's trying to combine two colors at the same time? Interesting. Now she's blending everything together for more uniform look. Now she tried to fix the first eyelash. Woman wahala. Right now, she's putting the eyeliner before the eyelash. Oh, this is a lot of work. Wow, what is she putting up again? I don't really know the name of that anyway. Oh, this is time for eyelash. Is it not going to fall off? I didn't even know that my wife used to fix eyelash. Oh, this is a lot of work. I believe this thing is going to fall off. She's now applying a primer for the foundation to stay longer. I am really learning here. Guys, I hope you are learning with me. Now, this is the time for foundation. I hope after this foundation, there will be a German floor. And, after that, there will be gravels. I hope my wife will not come and stop this voiceover. Let's ride on, guys. Now, she's applying the foundation. Then, she used blender to blend everything together. What is she going to do with concealer again? Oh, she's applying it under the eyes, as well as on the forehead and also on the nose. And then blend it together. She's applying a powder. I don't really know the name because I'm not a woman. Guys, I think we are getting to the end of this video because everything is coming together. Guys, we are still on it. Right now, she's applying a powder in a darker shade. This is the part I love so much. Anytime my wife is putting this on her cheek, I can see a smile on her face. Now she's applying the eye pencil And then she will be using the brush that she used for the eyeshadow to apply under the eye as well. She's also applying the mascara. Now she's applying the red powder on her cheeks before the blinky one. Hey guys, I think I have done justice on this voiceover. You guys should applaud me. The blinky is still going on. Right now, she applies it on the nose and also on her eyebrow. This is time for lipstick, but first of all, she will be applying lip liner before the lipstick. This is the final stage. She will be applying setting spray in order to bring everything together, in order for everything to look beautiful. Wow, guys, are you seeing what I'm seeing? This is really awesome and beautiful. Oh, you look so gorgeous. Guys, what do you think? Thank you for watching and listening. Bye for now.